everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Coder's Code. Today we'll be making a Flappy Bird game in Scratch. It's looking like this, and there's a pipe, and there's ground, and the Flappy Bird, of course. And the concepts that we'll be learning are, we'll be learning how to make a new block, broadcast, if touching, pick random, and variables, and some important operators. Let's get started with the demo. So here's the demo. When I click on flag, the Flappy Bird's just going to fall down, but we have to click on the space key to prevent it from falling down. And if it touches one of these pipes, it's game over, as you can see. And if the Flappy Bird touches the ground, it's also game over. So this is basically what we'll be making. Now let's get started with creating a new project. And we'll have to rename it to Flappy Bird Game. Next, we're going to delete the cat sprite and bring on the Flappy Bird sprite. I've already stored them in my backpack, but you could check the Google Drive link and get your sprites. So first we have to load the ground sprites, the Flappy Bird sprite, the pipe sprite, and we have to paint a new sprite. Let me just show all of them. Yeah, and we've got to paint a new sprite, and this sprite is going to be called You Lose. Change the color to red, and change the font to pixel to make it look more game-ish, like this. Line it into the center, and we're going to hide that sprite for now. Next, what we'll do is we're going to have to choose our backdrop. I again loaded this backdrop. It's a blue shade, but I wouldn't really call it blue, kind of like marshmallow. So now let's get started with the coding. We'll first go to the Flappy Bird sprite, and we're going to go to My Blocks and create a new block called Fly. And next what we have to do is we've got to drag an if-then statement, and we have to put this or from operators like this, and then go to sensing and put the key space pressed, duplicate that and put it in the next or, change space to down arrow, and then go to motion and drag. No, wait, it's not in motion, it's in sensing. And drag mouse down. And next, we'll have to create a new variable called speed y. Set speed y to 10. And change speed y by -2. Then go to motion and drag change y by 10 and go to variables and drag speed y over here. Next, what we'll have to do is we have to go to events again and drag when flag clicked. Go to, I'm going to say about -180 for x and y 0. Yeah, there. And I'm also going to want to change the size to around 15. Yeah, perfect. Next, to go to control and drag wait 1 second, change 1 to 0.5, and drag the forever loop. And inside the forever loop, put the fly block, the block we just made. Then go to events and drag the when flag clicked again, and go to control and drag the forever block. Inside the forever block, put the if then statement. So what we want to put is if touching ground, broadcast game over. So create a new message called game over, and we'll want the you lose sprite to receive that. So if touching ground game or broadcast game over, then again put another if then statement. So if touching pipes, because if it touches the ground or if it's touching the pipe, then we want to stop the game. So if touching pipe, then start sound pop. And we also want to broadcast game over as well. And we have to now go to you lose, and put the following code. When flag click, go to front layer, go to X and Y, 0, 0, and hide. Next, when I receive, game over, show, and stop all. So right now what we did was we allowed the Flappy Bird sprite to go down, and that's basically the coding for the Flappy Bird sprite. Now what we have to do is we're going to have to code the pipes, which is kind of complex, but we're going to make it easy. When flag clicked, set score and set speed y, to 0. You have to create a new variable called score, and you have to set that score to 0. And then we want it to go to the back layer. Go to back layer and go to X and Y as well. So go to X to 40 and pick, and for Y we want to pick random from -20 to 40. So we'll find that in operators, -20 to 40. Then we want it to repeat until touching Flappy Bird. So go to control and drag, repeat until touching Flappy Bird. And when it touches the Flappy Bird, we want it to move -4 steps. And then again, we'll have to drag an if-then statement and put an operator in it, which is going to be this one, the greater than. If X position, we want to put X position over here, and X position, then we want to put -450 in the next one, and if -450 greater than X position, then we want it to go to, how about, maybe we'll go to, X should go to 450, and Y, again, pick random, -20 to 40. Again, we're going to go to control and drag an if-then statement. If score, first drag one of this and put two greater thans. So for the first one, first blank, put a score, and the second and the first blank for both of these put score. If score greater than 30, then, and if score is less than 60, then, where is that block? But then we want it to move, pick random -4 to -6 steps. So we're going to go to operators and drag one of these, -4 to -6 steps. And now again go to control and drag the if-then statement. If score greater than 60, move, pick random, move, pick random from -6 to -9. And we also want to put broadcast game over right there. Don't put it inside the repeat until, put it outside the repeat until. And that's basically it, guys. Now let us test our project. So we'll go on full screen and now let's test it. Hey, it's working. As you can see, it's working. When we click on the space key, the Flappy Bird can fly. And if it touches one of these pipes, then the game stops. And if it touches the floor, then it also stops, or the ground. And that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave us a like, and share our videos to others for more videos as well. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get our daily updates. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye and scratch on.